to add widgets on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, search Widget Launcher and download Widget Launcher. I've simply downloaded this one. After it's downloaded, you can simply open the app. You'll find this kind of screen. You'll find different widgets as you want. I'm simply going to add digital clock. So simply click on the widget you want. You'll find different options, color you want, background, border. After you do that, you can also select transparency if you want. Now click on Launch Widget at the bottom. It will take some time. After it is done loading and after it's done loading this ad, click on Launch Widget again. And as you can see, the widget is trying to load and it has been added. You can drag it and move it wherever you want as well. And this is how to add widget on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.